8 years.
8 years,
Well,
yeah,
most
yeah.
about it I know. Um, it's been a while for you now in this industry,
Yeah,
Arjun. And
I've become a
I want you
veteran.
to you become a veteran. Um, what have been your major learnings? I want to understand what is it that people thought you never had to deal with, but you did. And today, at the position that you are, what are
Hmm.
things that you still feel you sort of struggling with when it comes to whether the choice of roles or breaking off a mindset or a typical image? What is it that has,
Hmm.
what are the observations?
So 8 years is a long time. So usme kya, lots of things go back and forth. Lots of things you learn, and it takes you time to adapt and adjust because you've come in as the young guy who just wants to work, and then you're given stardom, and suddenly the world has access to you, and you get a realization that your life is not your own, and then every choice you make, whether it's personal or professional, is going to be dictated with opinions. So you realize, okay, people care, they want to know. You can't stop them from having an opinion. So that's the first big learning that you need to have when you make it in this profession is that जब आप एक मकाम पर पहुंचोगे तो लोग आपके बारे में बात करेंगे. अच्छा हो या बुरा हो वो पता नहीं, लेकिन बात जरूर करेंगे. You will be spoken about in every conversation because you become accessible to every person. um, you will not be able to please everybody. You will try at the beginning of your career, you will not be able to. Then you'll stop trying to please everybody and you'll end up pleasing more people. And at the end of the day, things will become more intimate and personal. From enjoying all that love and attention, you will start just enjoying the fact that you are by yourself, doing work, coming back home, and doing the kind of work that you enjoy, interacting with people. So, from the paraphernalia and the mela of being celebrated to just wanting your own moment and your privacy and realizing why you started out in the first place. So, you have to lose yourself and find yourself again in the course of this career. It is just natural.
Yeah.
Because the world is a lot to take for 2 3 years. There's सब जगह से कुछ आ रहा है. You're getting garlands and you're getting brickbats at the same time. So you're always like, but who do I balance? What do I do? It's like a juggling act, and then you're like, you know what? This juggling will continue for the rest of my life, but I need to be mentally calm to do this juggling. So then you retrieve into yourself and you find yourself. Hits happen, then flops happen, then phases happen, then write-offs happen, criticism happens, accolades come in, but they're again questioned that was he worthy of it. Um, the one thing that caught me a bit by surprise was, the first 3 4 years of my career, nobody questioned whose son I was. It wasn't a conversation. And then off late, it's just become a meme or a conversation that became so relevant on social media that everything kind of gets divided into people from the fraternity
Nepotism.
and outside, which I feel I don't see that word. To care is just a word that just was thrown at us and we've all used it. But I'm saying it's almost like people who grew up here and the ones who didn't. Um, and then I started realizing it's because, unfortunately, that mentality has been given importance over the last few years, to grow, which I don't feel is fair because everybody has their own journeys and struggles. I don't negate. I have been through my hell. Another person must have been through double the hell. बट मैं कभी कंपेयर नहीं करता ना. मैं उनसे कहता हूँ कि आप मेरा दुख दर्द समझो. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि मैं मार्टर हूँ. प्लीज हैव सिंपैथी. आई एम नॉट. दिस इज माय लाइफ. आई हैव बीन थ्रू माय रोलर कोस्टर. यू बट दैट इज योर डेस्टिनी. इट इज योर लाइफ. अनफॉर्चुनेटली और फॉर्चुनेटली दिस इज माय. I was born here, but I can't keep my head down because of it. I can't be apologetic for it, and I can understand your emotion, and maybe I will never go through the struggle. But ऐसा थोड़ी ना है कि आपकी struggle हमारी struggle कुछ नहीं. And this has nothing to do with the talent or the success or the failure. It is just human compassion that has gone out of the window in the last couple of years. Where it is like these guys don't deserve any kind of second thought about what they've been through in life because they come from certain families. And I'm saying I'm very, very lucky. I'm very fortunate. But at no point have I ever disrespected anybody else's struggle. I just wish that my journey has the same respect that I give your journey. I give Vicky Kaushal is part of nepotism or not, I don't understand because his father has been an action director for years. But he started out from a different direction and made it. And I love him as an example of learning about what a journey should be to make it. Karthik, so many years. And whenever I met Karthik, even when he was starting out with a Pyar Ka Panchnama, we always had an equation that was of people that cared about each other. It wasn't कि यार तू बाहर से और मैं यहाँ से हूँ. But everybody has phases, lives, and journeys. So what I realize is off late, uh, you get pigeonholed that ये लोग एक बिरादरी के और ये लोग एक बिरादरी के, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. हम इंडस्ट्री में ऐसा नहीं सोचते. I'm certain because I'm born and brought up here, I have easier access to people. But can I be apologetic for that? I don't see Karan Johar casting me in 10 films because he knows me. I don't see Adi giving me. I've done 3 films with Adi. My fourth one is Sandeep or Pinky Farhan. Eventually, work. Adi is working with everybody. Karan Johar, Sajid Bhai is working. Everybody works with everybody. Everybody's road to reaching here is different. So it just happens the conversation of your work gets very confused with the conversation of where you got into this profession from. But I've tried my hardest to be honest to it. I've had a little bit of a luxury around me growing up, but I've had my own shit that I don't, because I don't discuss it, whether it's financial shit, whether it's emotional, whether it's physical, whether it's mental. I've had it. And आप लोग कुछ जानते होंगे. Other people have also had it, but I hate the fact that that gets swept under the carpet just because I have a surname. क्या होता है ना, वो पिजन होल्डिंग थोड़ी ज्यादा हो जाती है सरनेम और नॉन सरनेम में. वो मुझे वो बुरा लगता है बिकॉज इवेंचुअली डजंट मेक आवर पर्सनल लाइफ अ रेगुलर डे डिफरेंस. मेरी बट आई जस्ट फील पीपल जज यू मोर बिकॉज ऑफ अ सरनेम व्हिच इज सो नॉट नेसेसरी. दैट बैगेज इज नॉट नेसेसरी. आप मेरे काम को देखो ना, आप मैं कहाँ से आया हूँ काम करने, उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है. पहले नहीं पड़ता था. So like it didn't matter earlier. I didn't hear this when Ranveer was making his debut. I didn't hear it when technically so there are so many people who have a connect to the film industry who made it eventually, whether it's you look at Amir Khan or Ajay Devgan, the biggest of stars eventually. So but it's not like they've relied on that. And I made my debut outside and I've continued to do my work. I've done one film with my father, and that was at a time where I was already established. It was 3 years in. So that's the only one thing in these 8 years I've noticed has become a little too underlined. But it's okay. I think it's a phase. I think now with this new world post-COVID, I think all that I'm hoping reduces.
I also feel that every time if there was someone from your family who came in, like Janvi came in, then your discussion again would come in. Right? That also happened.
Yeah, but people forget that me and Janvi didn't even grow up together. Unfortunately, circumstances have brought us together now.
Yeah.
I have not even lived a normal life with my father. It's almost like today, because of perhaps the most unfortunate thing in the world, everybody's now come together. But it just feels odd that today that becomes a conversation rather than the work that I'm doing. But it's okay. I don't want to sound like a complaint box. I want to be positive about it. I think it's also to do with the fact that there's a lot of love that is out there. We tend to not look at the love. We always look at the confusion and the dilemma that the social media world creates. So I've decided to be more positive about it. But that's the one thing I've noticed in these 8 years, that there was a bit of skepticism that was brought in by words like nepotism and groupism and stuff like that, which I don't think is necessary at this point, because there's a lot of good work and a lot of good people doing good work regardless of where they come from.
Watch E-Town News Monday to Friday at 9:30 p.m. only on Zoom.